This is a Big Bang team presentation for Second Life. The first thing you must do as a learner is to, or as a student, is to go through the objectives. And this is a door. This door is going to open for 10 seconds. You need to provide the code, the module code. In this case, it's COM 100. And the door will verify the code and it's going to open. Then once you get inside, you can teleport to the first slides. And here you can learn about variables. What is a variable? How to declare it, and what data types you can use to hold certain variables. As you can see here, declaring variables. And this board is basically that's where you can watch videos online about Java, how to declare variables, methods, define methods. Then you can teleport to the second stage. The purpose of this exercise is to see that you did understand the slides on the previous slides, in fact. So then what you need to do here is to hover over the balls and see the data type they hold. Each ball holds. Then you try to insert that ball into one of these containers there. The first one is integer, the second one double, and third one is string. So if you insert the wrong ball in the wrong container, the container must reject that ball, and the robot must give us a red color. So yeah, basically that was the aim of this exercise. So then after you're done here, you can follow the arrow. You can follow the arrows, and now we're going to the methods now. These are the old slides, telling you as a learner, as a student, how to define a method, how to define the body of the method, what are the returning methods, how to define those, and what are the void methods. We have a quiz for you to test if you did understand everything that you learned from this lesson. So to solve the quiz, you can click on this board, and it's going to tell you on the chat box that it's going to last for 10 minutes. If you fail to finish it before 10 minutes, it's going to disappear and it's going to give you a score. This is our first question, and then I'm going to try and answer them. So the first one, I'm going to just pick, and after that you can click this exit to finish off the lesson. Thank you.